Hi, welcome to PromptBI. Here you can dive into real business challenges, explore messy, authentic datasets, and practice the exact skills companies are looking for, all in a hands-on, seamless platform that helps you grow and get ready for your next data role. Now let's hit the ground running. On your right, you've got Alex, your personal mentor. Alex isn't just a guide. Alex challenges you, evaluates your skills, and tailors your upskilling journey so you get exactly where you want to be. Think of Alex as your personal coach for data analytics mastery. On your left, this is your console, your playground for hands-on learning. Here, you analyze real data, tackle coding challenges, and even test how well you can evaluate AI-generated code. Every task, every challenge is designed to help you level up your skills in real time. Once you've explored the data and tackled the challenges, it's time to build dashboards that actually tell a story. Make your insights clear, actionable, and easy to understand. And you're done. Submit your work and get a full analysis. See your strengths, pinpoint your gaps, and know exactly where to focus next. PromptBI isn't just about practice. It's about mastering the skills companies are hiring for, leveling up your career, and stepping into your next opportunity with confidence.